Hello my friends, this is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Holiday. Celebrate.
Stronger.
Award.
No, his wife was not born in Spain either.
Soap. Soap. How many goals did he score last year?
Were his kids born in Spain? Pain. Spain. His team won the World Cup, right?
Who won the World Cup in 2019? Who won the World Cup in 2019?
His 3 children were born in Spain.
He scored 41 goals in 2019. Goals. Did he win any awards in his hometown? Did he win any awards in his hometown? This famous soccer player has lived in Spain, but he wasn't born there. He's from Argentina originally.
Did this player
In 2019, this soccer player won an award because he was so talented. He scored a lot of goals that year.
Who won Cup in 2019? The 19.
Award. Ran. He. Gosh. He. Win. Award. Award. Another. 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 Award.
His team won the World Cup, right?
Who win the cup? Won the World Cup in 2019.
Oh. Gosh. Did he win? Award.
Difficult. Night. Celebrate.
Newspaper.
Pray. Pray.
Plane. Stronger. Camel.
Newspaper.
She was in newspapers every day.
Who was the president in 2010? Who was the president in 2010? The president in 2010. Who was the president in 2010?
She knew that a healthy diet has fruit and vegetables. School food became healthier in 2010.
Was her diet healthy? Healthy. Health. Healthy.
She talked with children about healthy diets. Who? Was. President in 2010. She wrote in newspapers about healthy diets. Health. Healthy.
She Washington in 2010.
Did her daughters take the school bus? Did her daughters take the school bus? Healthier. Healthy.
This woman became famous when her husband became President of the United States. They were both lawyers before.
She knew that vegetables were healthier than pizza. She knew that vegetables were healthier than pizza. Healthy. Healthier.
Who was the first emperor of Russia?
He was the first emperor of Russia. He was the first emperor of Russia. American school food was not always healthy.
She was the president's wife in 2010. She was the president's wife in 2010.
Healthier.
Who is the president in 2010? Who was the president in 2010?
Were kids. Hit, born in Spain.